In other news this evening, a judge has declared the homeless camp near I-90 a chronic nuisance. Today, the city of Spokane and WSDOT are reacting to this.
KREM 2's Amanda Rowley shares now what the ruling means for the camp moving forward.
The city of Spokane told the judge it wants the state of Washington to provide a plan on how it's going to close the homeless encampment near I-90, along with a time frame of when it's expected to accomplish this. The judge's ruling put the city one step closer to getting just that. Attorney Lyndon Smithson argued on behalf of the city.
We are extremely concerned, Judge, that the state has no plan, no idea when they're going to close this encampment and how much longer it's going to be.
But the state argued it's been working tirelessly to transition people living at the camp into long-term housing.
There is good, solid progress that's continuing to move forward. And the state continues to work with these individuals on site. Those remaining are some of the most acute that have issues with meeting their activities of daily living.
The nearly 2-hour-long hearing concluded with a few different rulings. The judge declared the encampment a chronic nuisance, reserved authorizing a warrant of abatement for the city to clear the camp, and denied the state's request to terminate the city's temporary restraining order, which means service providers at the camp can continue offering services. But if they see any illegal activity, they must call police, and law enforcement must respond. The judge also ordered the city and the state to work together and present a plan to close the encampment by April 19th. In a statement from Mayor Nadine Woodward, she says the judge's ruling takes us one step closer to restoring the health and safety of everyone in that neighborhood and establishing a firm expectation for those staying at the camp that it is closing by a certain date.
Getting that collaboration is kind of a necessary thing to kind of push us across the finish line here.
Today we saw the work to transition camp residents beginning to pay off at this graduation ceremony. The pre-employment preparation program is 4 weeks long and funded in part by WSDOT. This class of 11 are mostly former residents of the encampment. They graduated this afternoon.
It provides them with skills, hands-on skills, training, apprenticeship programs. They've been meeting with potential job opportunities.
I'm happy, that's for sure. One more step towards getting somewhere, you know.
Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.